Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 17 Ford F-150 Raptor. So I do personally love the Ford Raptor. We do have this casting by Majority here that is from the tune-up series. You can see here. I think that is from the series 3, the neon series 1. So you can shine the UV light on it and it is going to glow. So that one is really an awesome one. So I bought that for $5.99 I guess. So I think so. It's been long since I actually unboxed that. Okay, so this is by Hot Wheels and I bought this for $179, which is the MRP. And let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I do have this casting in white color. I showed that during my collection tour part 1. So again, I don't know where I kept that entire set of boxes. So it is really time consuming to just go through everything and take one car from that. So that's the reason I'm not taking that for comparison now. Okay. So out of the box, the casting looks solid. It is not heavy, but it is solid. And okay, see this looks exactly like that. This the paint job they are using this 299 rupees casting. Again, that is not a Spectra Flame paint job. They are not using that anymore for a low price range. Okay, so but the glossy paint job here you can see with this kind of detailing here. I mean, it looks like it has a lot of dust here. This is the exact way they actually do that 299 castings. So even this STH versions. So it does look kind of STH. I mean, the color looks really nice. So it has headlight details, which is really nice. The logo is embossed in the front. That also looks really good. And it has interior detailing to it. That is also really nice. It has a sunroof here. And so the livery looks really good. I'm really happy they actually have added the tail light details here. See, that's what I'm talking about. This looks like an STH, but it is not an STH. But I'm happy they didn't made this as an STH because people would have gone crazy for this one. But this looks absolutely gorgeous. So I know the carved gasser is the STH. In this case, we are going to unbox that tomorrow. But I personally prefer this one because it has all the details to it and nothing is missing here. So okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. So the bed here is plastic and yeah, the hood detailing here, that is also plastic. You can see the interior does look really nice. Okay, so let's weigh this casting now and see how much this weighs. It is not really that heavy, maybe around 36 grams I'm expecting. Okay, 37 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, doesn't roll really well. It is going on top of the track. I don't know why that is happening. No, it doesn't roll at all. But anyway, I'm not going to play with this one. But if you are planning to play with this, maybe buy a bigger track than that one because this is exactly fitting into the track and it is not really rolling properly. Maybe a little bit wider track would do the trick, I guess. Or you can just join two tracks like this and you can put this in the middle because it has. Okay, let's see. That will be also an issue because of this part of the axle here. That is also notable. So the only way to make this thing roll in a track to buy a wider track. That's it. But apart from that, I love this casting because it has all the details. I don't see any flaws here. Everything is really good. It looks beautiful. So if you are able to get this casting, please go ahead and get it. Don't miss this one. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.